what's this trading channel all about? And why did I start this trading channel in the first place? Why is it here? And why am I talking to you guys? And today, I just want to introduce this channel to you. I'm redoing this video because the first one is kind of a long time ago. So I'm putting it out there again so that we've got an introduction as to why this channel exists. Because I've had a lot of comments out there that say to me, you just want to sell me a course, or you just want to do that, whatever. And really, guys, I don't have anything to sell you at the moment. At the moment, everything's free. I'm giving you all this advice for free, guys. It's like on the house. All I want you to do sometimes is maybe check out the secret blog. There's a free trade there every day for you. It's just a trading idea. It's not trading advice. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. You know, there might be some advertising here and there which supports the channel. Yeah, guys, that's how it goes. Everybody does that. And at the moment, the channel's not quite monetized, but maybe one day it will be. Who knows? That's great. But really, at the end of the day, just like you, I spent years trying to find the magic pill. What magic pill is out there? Is there a magic pill for trading? And I watched video after video after video, but you know, and I did actually find a system for myself eventually that worked. And I've got nothing against all the gurus out there that are promoting their turn $100 into $100,000 things, or do this and make so much money in a day, or whatever the case. Because at the end of the day, the systems that they actually teach you online that are partly free, let's be perfectly honest, they help you. You learn about MACDs, you learn about RSIs, you learn about trend lines, you learn about Fibonacci from all these guys. And a lot of it's very well put out there. So I've got nothing whatsoever against any of these people. It's just that I kind of got tired of seeing make $100 into $100,000, and that is effectively a lie. And or win 95% of your trades, it's a lie. This is a 50-50 game. Driving around in their Lamborghinis saying, check this, check that. Always showing the phone with all the wins on it, you know, it's too much, okay? It just drove me completely nuts. And something clicked in my head and said, you know, I need to put videos out to you guys and just tell you the truth. The truth is, it's not like that. Just, hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading, and just while we're on the topic, trading is risky. If you don't like risk and you don't like losing money, don't trade, right? It's as simple as that. Now, that's why I put the videos up. Because at the end of the day, it's not about finding a system and it works, or it's a magic pill, or whatever the case. It's about getting your psychology right. What woke me up, there's a couple of guys out there that are almost like mentors to me, but I never really met them. The one guy was from South Africa, the late Dr. Paul. I mean, he was absolutely fantastic in the way he explained things. The trouble was, his system is a bit complicated, you know, it's all Wyckoff and all this sort of thing. So I simplified that down to support and resistance to make it much easier for all of us to understand. Much easier to trade than going into all this detail. It's a bit like the ICT thing, you know, it goes into so much complicated detail. Why do you need all that? Just make it simple. Keep it simple, you know, don't go out of your way. And the other interesting person that I found on the internet that was really, really interesting, and that was, I believe Dr. Paul was this guy's mentor, and that's Tom Huber. He's fantastic, absolutely amazing. He talks a lot about good stuff. So if you're looking for good information, these are the guys to look for. You know, they tell you the truth, and I'm not really sure if they were actually selling anything or selling a course. I know Tom had a book. But at the end of the day, you know, somewhere down the line, maybe I'll do the same. Who knows? I don't know where I'm going to come out at the end of the day, but I put these videos out there to tell you guys the truth. And the truth of the matter is, there is no magic pill. There is no 90% win rate. If you've got a 90% win rate, be very afraid, because I can almost guarantee you're going to get kicked in the butt, all right? Because you're so confident, you're taking those massive trades, and what's going to happen? You're going to get kicked in the butt because you're overconfident, you're going to risk too much, and you're going to blow an account, or whatever the case. Everybody's had a bad day, everybody's had a bad week, everybody's had a bad month. Those who haven't, I don't believe you exist. Okay, really. You know, we have good days and we have bad days. It's easy for me to show you a portfolio of a good day and say, look how much I'm making. I made $10,000 today. I'm a hero. I'm not going to show you tomorrow. Tomorrow when I lose $20,000, I'm not going to show you that. I'm only going to show you that day where I made the $10,000. There are guys out there who are showing all their trades and all the rest of it, and good for them. Fantastic. Maybe it's one particular account, not the others. I don't know. I don't know what the guys are up to. Thing is, there's no point in looking at a trader or a guru's portfolio and trying to follow it or trying to copy it or thinking that you're going to make the same money as that person. It doesn't help, because everybody's different. It really is. Everybody's different. It doesn't help if I show you my portfolio, if I show you this oak's portfolio or that oak, and you think, oh, this oak's doing so well. You're not going to have the same results. You're just not going to get the same results. It doesn't work like that, because you've got a different psychology. So you can take exactly the same trades, but you're going to have a different psychology. When you take those trades, you also might take them earlier, you might take them later, you'll get in, you'll get out earlier, all these different types of scenarios. You're not going to have the same result at the end of the day. It's how can I explain this to you? You've got to learn that it's not about the system. It's about taking less losses and making more on your wins. So taking smaller losses, let's say, not big losses. So don't take huge losses every time. Don't add to your losses, add to your wins. It's what it's all about. Guys, I hope you enjoy the channel. I'm bambling on here. I hope you enjoy the channel. There's a lot of stuff in there. It's all about education. It's all about the different things, trend lines and whatnot. And it's also just to get the truth out there as to what the market is really all about. And it's all about trading. So thanks for watching. And don't forget, check out the last video. Till next time, guys. Bye.